Hey guys, welcome to another awesome video. In this video, we'll take a look at how you can use Boolean modifiers to cut holes in objects. So for this first example, I took a cube and then I created some edge loops inside it. After doing that, I selected the middle face and subdivided it a bunch. After doing that, you can just press Shift Alt plus S to convert it into a circle like this. So as you can see that the middle face is converted into a circle. Now you can extrude it to make cuts, for example like this. But there is a better way than this, so let me show you that. So firstly, let me undo all the steps. Now add a cylinder, scale it down, and then rotate it 90 degree on the x-axis. Then bring it forward in the y-axis. Then scale it on the y-axis so that it intersects the cube. After that, select the cube and add a Boolean modifier, and in that select the cylinder. Then go to the properties of cylinder and uncheck the render and viewport so that it is not visible in render. So as you can see that I can scale up and scale down the cube, but the hole isn't changing and it is at the same position. So this is a good way to cut holes in your. You can also move the cylinder and also scale it up and scale it down, so the hole also changes with it. And you can move it also so that you can cut holes precisely in your objects. As you can see here, I can scale it up and scale it down to make the hole bigger or smaller. Also I can move it, so this is a good way to do it. Now let me show you an example. In this, I have a cube and I added a bolt. Now I know that most of you would be wondering from where did that bolt come. So for that you have to go to preferences, add-ons, and search for add extra object meshes and check it. After doing that, you would be able to add bolts like me. So in this example, first scale the nut bolt down and also add a Boolean modifier to the cube and select the bolt, and then hide the bolt. So here you can see that I can cut some cool holes. Also I can do some other things as well. For example, I made a room with you can say windows with the help of that bolt, which have a cylindrical center. Yes, that only. So this is also a good way. Now for another example, I took some cylinders and a cube, and then again in the Boolean modifier select the cylinders and then align it so that it intersects with the cube. After doing that, hide the cylinders, and as you can see that we have successfully cut a hole in between the cube. So this is a good way to model good objects like this, as you can see on the screen. So for wrapping this video up, I have a last example. In this, I used a cylinder and some cylinders which I scaled down on the z-axis to make some sort of objects like this. Now select the cube and add two Boolean modifiers. In the first, select the bigger cylinder, and in the second, select the group of cylinders, and then hide both of them. So as you can see that you can make some cool holes with the using Boolean modifiers. Also uncheck the render and viewport so that they are not visible in the renders. So this was it for this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.